Hey y'all, quick video. Ran into an issue with this fractal engineering crossbow build. I was going to put the matrix 1S AIO in it with these, what are they called, FPV cycle motors, and ran into an issue where these don't have a plug, but the 1S flight controller has plugs, and I don't really want to solder them on the back here. So I ended up deciding to order a kit that has all these connectors, and found the right one using ChatGPT to figure out that these are the right size and length. It's actually the spacing that needs to be correct, because I have this one. Those weren't the right spacing. So I'll put a link to what I bought down here. No referral links or anything like that. It's just a link to the Amazon part that I bought to get this kit, and it fits perfect. So now what I'm going to do is build these 4 connectors, and then I'll just snip this off and I will solder on these wires, and then we'll continue building this.